New to EDC, on a budget or needing a multi-tool that covers the basics, pliers, blade and drivers, but don't want to spend big, then this 10-in-1 multi-tool might be the everyday carry hack for under £10. I was really pleasantly surprised. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm JimBob and welcome to JimBob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, multi-tools, flashlights, kits and pouches, or just want to see what people actually carry, you are in the right place. Because what you carry, carries you. This is the Amazon Basics 10-in-1 multi-tool, a compact tool pack offering pliers, wire cutter, knife, saw, screwdrivers, bottle and can openers and a small carabiner hook. Let's be clear, this is not a premium tool. It is budget oriented, meant for light jobs, occasional fixes, or as a backup when you don't want to carry a premium multi-tool or a full toolkit. It is great for those new to EDC wanting to find out if they are going to be multi-tool users without committing to premium investments. A kind of gateway drug to the world of multi-tools. Here's what's included. Needle nose and regular pliers, handy for small pulls and twists. Spring-loaded, they feel really nice in the hand for such an inexpensive tool. A decent length knife blade, okay for cutting string, opening boxes and light slicing. But UK users do take note, it does lock, so be careful with your everyday carry. A compact saw, useful for thin wood, PVC or small branches if outdoors or camping. Flat and Phillips screwdrivers. A bottle opener and a can opener. There's also a carabiner for easy attachment in a bag or to a belt loop, and it even comes with a nylon sheath. It's a functional spread that for a low price gives you a working multi-tool and could really work for EDC as a budget-friendly fallback if you don't want to burn £80 to £120 on a multi-tool but still want something for basic tasks or emergencies. This tool gives an awful lot for its price. It is great for occasional tasks, light duty work, small maintenance jobs around the home or office, opening packages, basic outdoor work or small job DIY. Or maybe just there as a spare tool. Stash it in the car, in a toolbox, in a glove compartment, or even in a travel bag, though checked baggage only, given that it has a blade, so that you are never totally without a blade and some pliers. It is low cost. When you know what you're getting, a basic multi-tool, it meets that niche more than adequately. But as with most budget tools, do not expect Leatherman level robustness. It is not heavy duty for tough mechanical jobs, heavy wire or demanding tasks. This tool will not replace a dedicated tool set. But it's great for beginners to EDC, for someone who wants to try a multi-tool without investing too much. Or maybe for occasional DIYers, for some repairs, light tasks, or even in a car emergency kit. If you want enough toolkit to get you out of jams, but don't expect professional grade performance, this little thing fits the bill. At its low price point, under £10 in the UK, you get a full 10 function multi-tool. For occasional users or as a backup, that's excellent value given the tool count and the portability. It will not replace a premium multi-tool, but it doesn't pretend to. For those who want a basic all-purpose tool, cheap and simple, this is a solid entry-level choice. If you're building a minimal EDC kit and want a low-cost multi-tool, this is a sensible pick. It is not top tier, but it is functional and dependable for light work. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and let me know down in the comments if you use a budget multi-tool, and if so, which one. There is a link down below if you want to get one of these for yourself, and also on my kit.co page. Following those links will really help the channel, and a subscribe would be absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. And remember, what you carry, carries you.